welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is 3 p.m. and I am still wearing my pajamas, and so is my little baby daughter Lexi. And these are our fancy weekend pajamas because that's what our wardrobe is all about now. Anyways, today I'm really excited because my Skims came in. They finally had their restock and I've been hearing all about them, so I had to try them out for myself. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Sweetie, are you tired? She just woke up from a nap. That's all we've been doing. Okay, you guys, so I want to talk about my shipping and shopping experience really quick on Skims. So they announced their restock and I kind of like left a mental note and then I totally forgot to shop. So I remembered like the day after they restocked, everything that I wanted was sold out. And then like a couple days later, I was just scrolling on Facebook, I got an ad for Skims, and then they had the Core Control thong, which I really wanted, in stock in the color I wanted. So I just like clicked and checked it out, and it was back in stock. So they had like a little sneaky little restock after their restock, which was awesome because I got to get my Skims. Almost everything was available. The only thing is that like the prices add up really, really fast, especially for underwear. Like, I don't want to spend that much, so hopefully this stuff is magical. The shipping was super fast, especially in a time like this crisis. I was expecting it to take a little bit longer, but it came in like a week after I ordered, maybe less. I just pick up my packages once a week, but it was there and I ordered like a week ago. So here is the box. It says Skims with her little logo. I love it. It's so minimalist. This wrapping is really cute. It's like so Yeezy, Kardashian, you know, that vibe. So they did not skimp on the packaging, you guys. And when you check out, they do have an option for you to get like a little shopping bag if you want to. I just think that's not the best for the environment or necessary, so I didn't get that. So let's go through everything that I got. I do waist train. I've been doing it for a while now. The waist trainer that I've been wearing is one from Amazon, and I'm actually on like the second to last latch on it, so I know it's time for me to go smaller. That one I believe was a small. This is an extra small, so I'm just ready to level up on my waist cinching. So it comes in a little case like this, super cute. It does say Skims across the front. I don't think the light is really catching that. But yeah, this is just really nice quality. I like that it comes with a little storage purse. And so exciting. Here's the waist trainer. So I'm gonna put this on last because I actually want to keep it on for a while, so we will revisit this guy. So I got a everyday plunge bra. Just wanted something comfortable to wear. It feels super flimsy in the bag, which is actually kind of a good thing when it comes to bras. As long as it holds everything up, like I want less material, less wiring. Like underwires are so 2010. Like let's just move on from that. So I got a size small in the color Smoky Quartz. And the bag says I am not plastic. I don't know what it is, but I guess it's a recycled type of material. Super cute. Go ahead and take it out of the bag right now. Wow, so this is like a mesh material. I didn't know what to expect, but it is kind of see-through up here. It's super like high quality. You can tell that the fabric is really nice. The edges are finished. It's basically seamless, but there is like a finishing to it. I don't know what they use to attach everything together. And there's absolutely no boning, no underwire, and like it looks like it's very structured and comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on for you guys right now. Okay, so here's a closer look at the bra. So the material is mesh. I'm not sure if it's see-through, so just in case I'm just covering my nipples. When I initially put it on, it was actually super baggy in the front. So I did explore the bra a little bit and I found out that they do have the adjustable backing. So as soon as I tightened the straps, it was perfect. My regular bra size is a 30 double D. It's super hard to find, but you can see that the fit is actually super structured. There is so much support. It's very comfortable to wear. And once again, there's no spining or underwire or anything like that that's digging into your body. It just holds you up and keeps you supported. So let's go ahead and move on to the next product. This is the Core Control thong in the color Clay. I wanted something close to my skin tone when I'm spray tan because I know I'll be wearing this under like tight dresses or tight outfits when I'm doing events and stuff like that. And I really wanted everything to be seamless but sucked in. I love this packaging. It looks like they're preparing for retail because of the way that it's packaged. It's something that I would see in like Victoria's Secret or Target or something like that. And this is a size extra small / XS. Wish me luck. I hope it fits. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on right now. I just took it out of the box, you guys. What is this? This is like a diaper for my dog. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. I just don't think I'm gonna fit into this. Oh my gosh. Okay, wish me luck. This is so teeny tiny. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that was like a full body workout. Here is a clip of me trying to get it over my leg. I literally got like a panic attack trying to get it over my hips, but it's finally there. And if you see how it's like digging in right here to like really give me that Kardashian body shape, and I can actually still breathe, which is interesting. I'm not uncomfortable, I'm not lightheaded. There's definitely pressure. As you can tell, I do have some skin hanging over. It's not the most flattering look, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on something tight over it and see what it does. Oh my gosh, so Kim Kardashian, I just learned all of your secrets. This is crazy. Like, my waist is really cinched, as you can see from the backdrop. It really holds me in and holds me together, and like my issue with most shapewear is that I feel like I can't breathe and I'll start to get lightheaded because it'll like get so tight and uncomfortable. I don't feel like that yet. I've been wearing it for 30 minutes, just walking around and feeling myself, and it really hasn't bothered me. So yeah, this is the Core Control thong. My waist is about 25.5 inches, and I got the extra small just for reference, and in the size clay. I wish I got a couple shades darker because it's still really, really light on me, and I really want it to be the same color as my skin. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on that waist trainer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the waist trainer on. I actually have it on the second hook. There's 3 hooks, so I'm in the middle one. It definitely does give me that curve, but I feel like it's not doing anything. My waist trainer that I'm using right now is actually a lot tighter, and I feel like when it's tighter, it's working. But this is a nice, like, comfortable one. I might use this like longer during the day. I might wear this in my sleep because it literally feels like I'm not really waist training at all, but looking at the viewfinder, I do see that it's doing something. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on that same jumpsuit, and we'll see what it does underneath clothes. Okay, so I'm wearing that exact same naked wardrobe jumpsuit. I feel like the look is a lot smoother with this. With that thong that I was just wearing, it really like dug in right here, and there was like a really sharp like curve. This is more of like a really nice like curve that I would prefer because it looks more natural. Everything is still super tucked in. If not, I feel like it's tucking more in than the thong is doing. And it could be all the spining in it and stuff. It's super, super comfortable. The only thing is that I wish I got a size smaller. This is an extra small. I do believe she goes down to an extra, extra small because I'm already on the second hook. I haven't even started wearing it. And I could easily go to like the tightest hook. So that's the only thing with the waist trainers. So out of everything, I feel like they all did what they advertised they would do. If I could go back in time, I would probably only get the waist trainer and maybe the bra. I just feel like the Core Control thong gave me anxiety putting it on and taking it off. It just, oh my god, like it was a nightmare. It was like a full body workout, so it's not something that I would really look forward to doing, but the waist trainer feels amazing. I'm gonna keep it on. It feels like a hug. That's it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me what's on your Skims wish list, or if you've tried it before, please recommend me some more products. I'm really looking at the biker shorts next. And if you enjoyed my content, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Lady Code. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.